This 70-inch OKD Fluted Fireplace television stand combines a gently curved silhouette with textured doors and a faux marble surface, so it looks far more upscale than typical media cabinets. The integrated electric fireplace insert offers convincing flame effects with or without heat, giving you year-round ambiance and supplemental warmth at the push of a remote button. Thoughtful storage with soft closing doors, adjustable shelving, and discreet cable pass-throughs keeps game consoles, receivers, and streaming boxes organized and out of sight. The melamine faux marble top and molded fluted fronts are designed to resist everyday wear and moisture, making the piece practical for busy living rooms as well as stylish. Gold-tone metal hardware and cylindrical legs lift the cabinet visually and physically, adding a light contemporary feel while still feeling sturdy under larger televisions. Clear instructions, labeled hardware, and protective packaging make assembly straightforward for two people and help the stand arrive in good condition despite its substantial size.